In Australia in 1932, we encounter one of the strangest conflicts in history, the Great Emu War. Yes, you heard that right. A war against emus. The Australian government declared war on these large, flightless birds that were causing havoc among farmers. The military was called in, armed with machine guns, to combat the emu population. However, things didn't go as planned. The emus proved to be elusive and incredibly difficult to shoot down. In the end, the emus won, and the government had to abandon their efforts. It's a comical and bizarre chapter in Australia's history.